Mr. Miftar from Kosovo. Miftar. Why is there always trouble in Muslim countries?
Ask them. I am always troubled by their troubles. It's very unfortunate. The message of Islam, which they try to convey to the world, is a distorted message of Islam. It's very troublesome. If you believe in that sort of Islam in which they believe, the medievals, there will always be trouble in the name of Islam. So I denounce that. On behalf of the Ahmadiyya community all over the world, I tell you that we do not agree with these troublemakers' Islam. We believe in Islam as it stands for peace. Trouble and peace do not go together. So Islam means peace. So wherever we preach, we convey the message of peace, and that's all.